Well, Christmas must be coming because I keep getting sent tools to review. We've got a Tesmen TN-213 AC voltage detector. Tesmen sent me this free of charge. They sent me a couple of units, so I wanted to just review it for you and tell you what I think. Packed full of good features actually. So takes two AAA batteries. Got a nice rubber seal here to help for sealing the end cap. It's got really well made rubber buttons, on off switch and a selector switch. It's got a clip here to hang off your lapel or your shirt pocket, whatever. It's also got a built-in flashlight. It's IP66 rated for so it's waterproof and dustproof, which is really important depending on the environment you're in. Certainly for me, the dustproof element's really important. And then we've got a digital display, which I'll show in more detail in a moment. It's got dual sensitivity, a high and a low mode, and it comes in green, red and blue. Okay, so on off switch here, 12 volt to 1 kilovolt of AC, and a percentage marker underneath. So you can change the sensitivity mode by pressing the selector button, so it will go from starting at 12 volt or it will start at 70 volt up to 1 kilovolt. So if it's on high sensitivity mode, it will start picking up current from a reasonable distance, whereas if it's on low sensitivity mode, which you change by pressing the select switch, you have to get much closer before it will start to alert you to any current. You'll get an audible sound, you'll get a flashing light, and you'll get the percentage meter will change depending on how close you are to the source. It's also got flashlight, which you press and hold the select switch, so the flashlight comes on. Really handy. Doesn't seem that bright in here because of all the lights, but it's pretty good in dimly lit spaces. Nice little feature, and just press again to turn it off. Been using it for a few weeks. Pretty good bit of kit. Well made, sturdy. Really like the rubber coated buttons. Nice bit of kit. So it's the Tesmen TN-213 AC voltage detector. There's a link in the description below where you can buy the product and you can find out more information. So as I said, Tesmen sent me 2 of these units. Obviously I'll keep one to use, but the other one I'm going to give away. I'm going to give it away, but out in the UK only. So I'll cover the postage as well, so it will be of no cost to whoever wins. All I want you to do is put a comment, any comment, in the comment section below. I'll end it on Friday the 24th of November 2023 at midnight, and then on Saturday I'll do names out of a hat from those that have commented, and then I'll contact you directly. Thanks for your time. See you on the next one.